Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add an American Express gift card to Amazon. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open Amazon on your browser and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are signed in, move your cursor over your name in the top right corner of the screen to open the drop-down menu. From there, click on Account. On the next page, look for the option called Your Payments and open it. This is where you can manage and add payment methods to your Amazon account. Next, click on Add a Payment Method and select the option to add a credit or debit card. After that, enter the details from your American Express gift card, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. If you need to activate the card, check the balance, or confirm the zip code connected to the card, you can follow the instructions printed on the back of the gift card. There is usually a website link or customer service number available for assistance. Once you finish entering the card information, save the payment method. Your American Express gift card will now be added to your Amazon account and ready to use for purchases. That's it. That is how you can add an American Express gift card to Amazon. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.